I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a honey, peanut butter, and tofu smoothie. In order to make this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a half a cup of silken tofu, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a handful of ice. This recipe is super simple. We're going to combine all the ingredients in our blender and blend for about 1 minute until the smoothie becomes the consistency that we like. Once the smoothie is a consistency that you like, you can pour in a glass and enjoy. I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and that's how you make a honey, peanut butter, and tofu smoothie.